Did you know that turmeric, the golden spice so often found in your kitchen, contains a powerful compound called curcumin, renowned for its extraordinary anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties? For thousands of years, turmeric has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine, revered not just in India but across Asia for its ability to soothe ailments, support joint health, and even promote longevity. While ancient healers may not have known the science behind it, today modern research is catching up, confirming what generations have experienced firsthand. Turmeric is truly a super spice. But what exactly makes turmeric so special? And why is it suddenly everywhere, from health blogs to trendy cafes and supplement shelves? The answer lies in its unique blend of culinary versatility and remarkable health benefits. Turmeric isn't just a spice that adds a distinctive yellow hue and earthy flavor to curries and rice dishes. It's also one of the most potent natural remedies available, with studies showing it may help combat inflammation, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and even support brain function. It's no wonder that turmeric has burst into the spotlight as a modern-day superfood. However, as turmeric's popularity soars, so too do the misconceptions surrounding it. Many people assume that simply sprinkling turmeric on their food or popping a supplement will unlock all its benefits, but the reality is a bit more nuanced. One of the most common mistakes is overlooking turmeric's low bioavailability. In simple terms, curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, isn't easily absorbed by the body on its own. This means that if you're not using turmeric correctly, you could be missing out on its full potential. Perhaps the most critical oversight is not pairing turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a natural substance that can enhance the absorption of curcumin by an astonishing 2,000%. Without this crucial partnership, most of the turmeric you consume will simply pass through your system without delivering its renowned benefits. Another frequent mistake is using too little turmeric or relying solely on supplements without considering the quality or purity of the product. Just as with any superfood, the source and preparation matter a great deal. So, how can you make the most of turmeric's superpowers? The answer lies in understanding the do's and don'ts of this golden spice. Let's start with the do's, the essential tips for unlocking turmeric's full potential. First, do combine turmeric with black pepper. Whether you're making a savory curry, a smoothie, or even a cup of tea, always add a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. This simple step can make a world of difference in how much curcumin your body actually absorbs. Second, do use turmeric with a source of healthy fat. Curcumin is fat-soluble, meaning it dissolves best in fat and is more easily absorbed into your bloodstream when consumed with oils or fats. Try adding turmeric to soups with coconut milk, sautéing it in olive oil, or stirring it into a yogurt-based sauce. This not only improves absorption, but brings out turmeric's warm, earthy flavor. Third, do experiment with different forms of turmeric. While fresh turmeric root looks similar to ginger and can be grated into dishes for a vibrant, slightly peppery taste, ground turmeric powder is more convenient and works perfectly in most recipes. If you're considering supplements, do your research to ensure you're getting a product with high-quality curcumin extract and, ideally, added piperine for absorption. Now, let's look at the don'ts, the common pitfalls to avoid. Don't assume that a tiny sprinkle of turmeric here and there will provide all the health benefits you seek. Research suggests that, to see real anti-inflammatory effects, you may need around half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of turmeric daily, depending on your needs and your doctor's advice. Don't skip the black pepper or fat, as this will drastically reduce how much curcumin your body can actually use. Another don't. Avoid using turmeric as a quick fix for health issues without consulting a healthcare professional. While turmeric is a powerful natural remedy, it's not a cure-all, and in some cases, it can interact with medications or cause side effects if consumed in excess. Pregnant women, people with gallbladder problems, or those on blood-thinning medication should speak with their doctor before significantly increasing their turmeric intake. With these essential do's and don'ts in mind, how can you easily incorporate turmeric into your daily routine? The possibilities are deliciously diverse. In the kitchen, turmeric shines in traditional curries, soups, and rice dishes, lending both color and flavor. But it also works beautifully in less obvious ways. Try adding a teaspoon to your morning smoothie for an anti-inflammatory boost, stirring it into scrambled eggs, or blending it into salad dressings for a unique twist. For those who prefer a warming, soothing drink, turmeric lattes, also known as golden milk, are one of the most effective and enjoyable ways to consume this super spice. To make golden milk, simply combine milk or a dairy-free alternative with a teaspoon of ground turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, a dash of cinnamon, and a touch of honey or maple syrup. Warm the mixture gently, whisking until the spices dissolve, and enjoy a comforting, nutrient-rich beverage. Not only does this method provide turmeric with both fat and black pepper for optimal absorption, but it also creates a ritual that's easy to look forward to each day. If you're interested in supplements, look for high-quality curcumin extracts that include piperine or black pepper extract. Remember, not all supplements are created equal. Check for third-party testing and avoid products with unnecessary fillers or additives. And always start with a lower dose, gradually increasing as needed and as tolerated. In summary, unlocking the full potential of turmeric isn't about jumping on a health trend or adding a dash of yellow powder to your food and hoping for miracles. It's about understanding how this ancient spice works and respecting the science behind it. Always pair turmeric with black pepper to maximize absorption. Use it alongside healthy fats to further enhance its bioavailability. Be mindful of your daily intake and don't expect instant results. Turmeric's real power lies in consistent, mindful use over time. Avoid the common mistakes of using too little turmeric, skipping the black pepper, or relying solely on low-quality supplements. Remember that while turmeric offers many health benefits, it should always be part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. So, whether you're stirring turmeric into your favorite curry, sipping a golden latte, or exploring new recipes, keep these do's and don'ts in mind to truly unlock the superpowers of this remarkable spice. Embrace turmeric's centuries-old wisdom and modern science, and let this golden gem add both flavor and wellness to your daily life. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about harnessing the power of superfoods and spices, don't forget to subscribe for more insights, recipes, and health hacks. Your journey to a healthier, more vibrant you starts with just one golden spoonful at a time.